It's time to test out some Super Nintendo on the X9 portable system. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we are going to test out Super Nintendo on the X9. This doesn't sound very promising, so let's test it out, people. What are we going to get? The sound is not like it should be. It looks like the frame rate is stabilizing. Whoa. Music is normal now. Frame rate is good. Ow, ow. D-pad and analog stick are just working fine. Alright, let's test out some Diddy Kong Quest. So still I have a lot of problems with the frame rate, that is very unstable. But here in the game itself, that sounds great. Here you can hear it again. Going turbo mode. Where are my buttons? Oh, here it is. Time for some Mortal Kombat. Let's put the volume louder. That sounds not bad at all. Ow, ow, ow. Turbo mode. Alright. Sound is not very perfect, or not really nice. So for the final conclusion about a Super Famicom part or Super Nintendo on the X9, no, it's not fine. And it's got a lot of big issues. For example, turbo mode, yeah, frame drops. The frame let's say the FPS is going up and down all of the time, and that is a little bit of a bummer. So yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.